This is the lineup for bikes. Lineup for bikes. Good morning. So this is the place we have come to. Yesterday I couldn't record the videos of the place. So this is the resort. This is called Jungle Mount. I'll upload the drone videos as well. The place is really good. There's a river here. So you can see the river there, and you have a kayak as well. You can do kayaking. As you can see, wonderful place. So yesterday I couldn't record as soon as we came. We crashed because we thought the weather in Coorg will be amazing, but unfortunately it was hot, so we just threw everything in the room. So they have, I think, 8 to 10 cottages. These are the cottages. Yeah. This is the dining section. The good food is also good. The food was actually good. Yesterday we had a lunch and dinner. So this is the dining section. That's coffee there. Oh, the bikes are already here. $650,000 1250, and people here chilling. Abhishek, Himayun, Shrikant, Praveen, and Sukumar. On the bikes, 1250 BMW 1250, Versys 650, Versys 1000, and Tiger 850 Sport. Yeah, so time for coffee now. So coffee seats. They're trying the coffee seats here. So these guys just pack these seats and sell it out. They don't process it. The property is really good, and we have a volleyball net over there. You can play volleyball, and the small cottages over there, if you can see. So those are for trekkers. So anyone who is just planning to just sleep and then go, then you have the small cottages. Good thing about this resort is the owner who Shaker. So what he does is he takes you to the peak at night. I mean not the peak, not the exact peak, but the start point of this Tadiyandamol trek point. So he takes you at night. So the fun part is he's so used to that route, he turns off the light of the truck which he is carrying, and he just drives without light. So that is one good experience which you get here. So we did it at 12 o'clock yesterday, and we came back at 1 o'clock. So you get to see a wonderful view, sky full of stars. That's one good experience. So this is the lineup of our bikes. This is of Himayun. This is Triumph 850 Sport. This is Kawasaki Versys 650. Praveen sir. This is Kawasaki 1000. This is Shrikant's. This is mine, Benelli TRK. This is GS 1250. This is edition ido? Ye kaun sa edition hai? 40 years edition, and this is GS. Yeah, this is just 1250 GS, and this is of Sukumar, and this is 1250 GS Trophy Edition. This is GSA, so this is of Abhishek. So we're going for breakfast. So this is the dining area, restrooms and hand wash. This is for bigger families or office people coming in. This is the kitchen. And this is the complete dining area.
That is Kiran.
And this is Kiran, who's been serving us delicious food from yesterday on. So first we have toast, right? Toast and jam, and we have upma and puri coming in. Yeah, Sukumar sitting in already. So we are going on a kayak ride. So me and Sukumar. just a 2 minutes walk from the resort. We have this walkway and we can come close to the river, and there's a small waterfall which we are going to experience. So we are crossing this small puddle of water, right? Yeah, kind of funny but risky as well. So I'm carrying the drone and everything in my hand, so we'll be going to that part of the river. So I'll keep you guys updated.
Take a video of you walking alone.
No, I'm not going alone. So this is how we cross. Mama! चुपचाप बैठे हो हैं?
You know, there is a serial in the old one. कहीं कहीं भागते हैं, गिरते हैं ना. You fine?
Yes, perfect. Done.
I have. चप्पल मगर चप्पल सर इनको
चप्पल
ಅದೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್
ಸ್ಲೋ ಮಾಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ನಾವು ವಿಡಿಯೋನ.
ಯು ವಾಂಟ್ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಅದು ಸಕ್ಕದಾಗಿತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಆ ಬಾಟಲ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡಂಗೆ ಅದೊಂದು ಬಾಟಲ್ ಇದೆ.
We stayed at this place called Jungle Mount Adventures, which is in Kakkabe town in Coorg. The resort is amazing. It has a river flowing right beside it where you can go kayak and even go on a walk to take a dip in the fresh water of the river. After the river dip, we finished our lunch and packed our bags to Bangalore. Hope you guys liked the video. If yes, then please do like and share the video, and you can pass your feedback on comments, which I'll go through and get back to you guys. And yeah, finally, I've added few clips to what comes in the next vlog. So please do have a look. And thanks for your lovely time. Bye bye. Thank you. Sorry, Sukumar. So finally, after all the issues with